In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in WPS Office Mobile. Aligning text properly can make your documents look more professional and organized, and with WPS Office on mobile, this process is both simple and quick. In this tutorial, I will guide you through all the steps so you can align your text exactly the way you want it. First, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the document you want to work on. You can either select an existing document from your list or create a new one. For this demonstration, I will open a document I already have ready. Once the document is open, you will see the text that you want to align. To begin aligning your text, tap directly on the text area you want to adjust. You can select a specific paragraph or the entire section that needs alignment. Once your text is highlighted, tap the menu icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This action will open the main menu with a variety of editing options. Scroll down slightly until you reach the section that contains alignment settings. Here you will see multiple alignment options available. To move your text to the right, simply tap the right alignment icon. The selected text will immediately shift to the right side of the page. If you prefer your text to be centered, tap the center alignment icon, and your text will align perfectly in the middle of the page. Similarly, to move your text to the left, select the left alignment icon, and your text will revert to the left side. You can also experiment with other alignment options if needed. After selecting the alignment that best suits your document, tap anywhere on the blank area of your page to confirm and save your changes. This ensures that all the adjustments are applied and your text appears exactly as you intended. By following these steps, you can easily format your document, making it visually appealing and easier to read. Proper alignment can improve the overall presentation of your text, whether you are creating a report, a letter, or any other type of document on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.